So in the figurative, BD is equal to 6, AD is equal to 8. What is the length of DC? Okay, so first I know that this is 10. It's a multiple of the 3, 4, 5 triangles. If you weren't sure, you could also do Pythagorean theorem. So let's see. I have a right triangle, and I see that BD is dividing triangle ABC into two similar triangles. Um, so I can say triangle ABD is similar to BCD. And since they're similar triangles, it means that their sides are going to be proportional to each other. So the ratio of BD to AD, it's the same. So I would be like, all right, BD to AD is similar to DC. And DC to BD. So that's how they're similar. Then with this information, now I can fill in the missing pieces. So this would be 6. AD would be 8. DC is what I'm solving for. And BD is 6. So this would be 36 is equal to DC multiplied by 8. Divide each side by 8. So 36/8 is equal to DC. And I can divide everything by 4. So 9/2 is equal to DC, or 4.5. And yeah, that's a simple way, similar triangles. And SAT loves similar triangles. Hi guys, I'm Jackie. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please be sure to like, comment, rate, and subscribe if you like this video and you want to keep getting more amazing SAT questions. Thank you again and have an amazing day.